Welcome to Generations Real Estate and Auction. HiBid is a proven and powerful third-party platform we use to host our online auctions. This short video will help guide you through the process of registering and bidding in one of our auctions. You may access HiBid using a computer, a phone, or any mobile device. This video uses screenshots from a computer, but the view and process on a mobile device is virtually the same. To begin, look at the top of the screen and you'll find a menu in the blue bar that allows you to log in or register for the first time, to view current or past auctions, and join our mailing list. You may begin the registration process by clicking on Log In New Bidder on the left side of that blue bar. You may also register or log in by scrolling down through our current auctions and clicking Register to Bid in the center of the gray bar beneath any current auction. Next, a pop-up window will appear that says Log In New Bidder at the top. Now, here is where we have a lot of confusion. If you've registered for one of our auctions in the past or registered for any auction on HiBid, click on the blue Log On button to enter your already set username and password. If, however, you are registering for one of our auctions for the first time, you should click on the gray button that says New Bidder. Click here. If you're a repeat customer, by now you're logged in and ready to bid. We appreciate you. If you're new to our auctions and you just clicked New Bidder, click here, you're now asked to enter your email address. Enter it now on the top line. Next, confirm your email by entering it again in the second blank. When you're satisfied that your email address is entered correctly both times, click on the blue button that says Check Email. When you click Check Email, a new window opens where you will enter your contact info, and it's where you will create your username and password. You get to choose your own username and password. Be sure to write it down somewhere so that you can log in later. If all of the information is correct, click on the blue button at the bottom that says Create New Account. If all went well, you will receive a green welcome message. Click on the OK button to proceed, and you are almost finished. Now, when you place your first bid, you'll be asked to enter and add a method of payment. A window will open prompting you to enter your payment info. Click on the gray button about a third of the way down on the right side that says Add a Payment Method. You can give the credit card a name like First Bank Visa that helps you remember which card you used in case you want to add additional payment methods at some point. Enter all of that requested info, completing every blank, and then click the blue button at the bottom that says Save and Return to Registration. You'll be taken to the final screen in the registration process. You must re-enter your CCV code from your credit card and then check the box acknowledging that you've read and understand the terms and conditions. When you have done all of those things, click the blue button that says Submit Registration, and you will be fully registered and ready to bid. You'll receive a welcome screen, and you may now begin bidding. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the interest you have shown in our auctions.